Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Arivu. Have you ever wondered how apps like Netflix, Amazon, or Zoom run smoothly without any downtime? The answer is cloud computing, and one of the providers is AWS. In today's video, we will understand what AWS is and how its global infrastructure works. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It is a cloud computing platform and on-demand IT resources, meaning instead of buying a physical server, companies can rent computing, power, storage, and databases. The best part is they can pay for the service they use, that is, pay as you go pricing. AWS offers a wide range of services. Some of the core services include EC2 for computing, S3 for storage, RDS for databases, and VPC for networking. It also provides advanced services for AI and analytics, and one of the services, Amazon Bedrock. Today, AWS offers 200 plus services across globally. So, AWS was officially launched in 2006, but earlier in November 2004, they have launched AWS SQS, that is Simple Queue Service, internally in the AWS. So, their milestones are in November 2004, they have launched AWS SQS, and in March 2006 they have launched AWS S3, so that is the first major public cloud storage, and in August 2006 they have launched Amazon EC2, that is elastic cloud computing. AWS is popular because it eliminates upfront cost. We can scale resources anytime, and it provides high reliability and security. Most importantly, AWS has a massive global infrastructure. Many large organizations use AWS. Companies like Netflix, Airbnb, NASA, Samsung, and Adobe rely on AWS to handle millions of users worldwide. Now, the big question is, how does AWS deliver all these services across the world? That's where AWS Global Infrastructure comes in. AWS has one of the largest cloud infrastructure in the world. It operates across multiple regions, availability zones, and edge locations globally. This ensures high availability and low latency. They, they are in 39 plus regions, and they are almost in 120 plus availability zones and 400 plus edge locations. To look into exactly, AWS have launched their global infrastructure in a web page. Later I can share you this link in the comment, so you can check here. So AWS cloud spans 123 availability zones with 39 geographical regions. So they have also announced for 7 more availability zones and 2 more regions in the Saudi Arabia and Chile. So in North America they have 9 regions and 31 edge locations. In South America they do have 2 regions. One is coming soon, that is Chile, and 7 edge locations. In Europe they have 9 regions and 30 edge locations, and in Middle East they have 4. Currently it is 3, and the Saudi Arabia will be added in any time, and edge locations 8. And in Africa they do have 1 region with 4 edge locations. In Asia Pacific they do have 13 regions, which includes Mumbai and Hyderabad, and for 23 edge locations that includes our topmost cities like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Pune, etc. And in Australia and New Zealand they do have 3 regions and 5 edge locations. So this is how AWS infrastructure powers for deploying the apps. So let's come into the AWS regions. An AWS region is a geographical location where AWS has data centers. Like I said, Mumbai, Singapore, and in North America it spans about 39 regions. So the availability zone, it is an important topic, and each region contains multiple availability zones. Each availability zone is a separate data center with independent power and networking. If one fails, application continue running in the other zone. For example, if we have any earthquake or disaster in any one region, the other two region will act as a backup for the affected region. So basically these availability zones will be located in a span of 60 km between. Edge locations are smaller data centers located closest to users. They help deliver content faster by reducing latency. For example, when we watch movies in Netflix, the content is delivered from a nearby edge locations instead of a faraway server. This makes streaming fast and smooth. So the complete flow works like this. The user connects to the edge location, which connects to the region, and inside the region there are multiple availability zones. And the edge locations can get us the content fast because they will catch it. So in today's video, we have seen what is AWS. So to summarize it, AWS is a powerful cloud platform. Regions are locations, availability zones are data centers, and edge locations help deliver content faster. So with this, I'm ending today's video, and the next video would be account creation on the AWS. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to TechArivu to learn cloud computing step by step on AWS.